Today I'm going to show you how to make incredible baked oatmeal. You guys are going to love it. So first we need apples. I don't peel my apples, I cut them in pieces and I'm using my chopper, and I cut my apples in these square pieces. Put them aside for a while. Now we're going to mix the rest of the ingredients. First are wet ingredients. You need pumpkin puree, you need milk, eggs. Mix everything together very well. Add salt. I'm adding maple syrup. You can add sugar if you don't have maple syrup. And then you're adding spices. Add any spices you like. I add it. It says 7 spices. I made them myself. You can make this mix of 7 spices, or you can buy them. Add more cinnamon. Add anything you like make it more holiday taste. Mix it together very well again. Now add oatmeal. Mix it together. Then add apples, mix it again, and there you go. Your mixture is ready. Now you need to prepare your form, oil it very well, and pour your prepared mixture into the form. Spread it a little bit. And now you need to make cinnamon sugar. It's very easy. You take cinnamon, mix with the sugar, and just spread it around on your oatmeal. It's gonna add this amazing flavor. It's gonna smell incredible when you're baking your pie. You're gonna love it. And that's it. It's ready. It's really, as you can see, it's so fast and so easy. So whenever everything is ready, put it in an oven and bake it for about 30-35 minutes. And your baked oatmeal is ready. Guys, that's how easy it is. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, add yogurt, add more maple syrup, and enjoy. I hope you will make this amazing baked oatmeal. You are going to love it. So that's it for today, and I'm gonna see you in my next video.